Welcome. I'd like to introduce the DeepFlow team with CEO, Dr. Carlos Vélez, and CTO, Dr. Scott Martin. We are presenting today on our Phase 2 SBIR program for the Navy with a project entitled Combustion Modeling in ScramJet Engines, Predicting Engine Unstart. DeepFlow LLC is a software solutions company at the intersection of combustion modeling and advanced machine learning methodologies. Our main technical focus is on combustion modeling and leveraging machine learning to accelerate simulation runtimes, increase model fidelity, and increase the dimensionality of commonly adopted low-order combustion models. Our customers are made up of both government and private sectors. Three major significant technical achievements have been accomplished in the last 2 years, which include an Army STTR, Phase 1, Phase 2, and Sequential Phase 2. In addition, DeepFlow was awarded a Phase 1 SBIR program under the Navy, which was completed in 2024, and is actively working on the Phase 2 of the program. Our key product is a suite of combustion model plugins that interface directly with popular commercial CFD solvers, including Fluent, Star CCM, US3D, OpenFOAM, and Cadence's Char LES solvers. These plugins act as an add-in to existing workflows, minimizing the need to change solvers or solution infrastructures for a given company or organization. Our current Phase 2 SBIR program with the Navy is to develop fast and accurate simulation design tools to increase the number of design iterations while reducing the prediction uncertainties and increasing the design space for the next generator of ScramJet engines. The contour plots on the right show the predictions from typical finite rate model, which are costly to run for detailed chemical mechanisms, compared to the simulation results from the proposed CMC model and experimental measurements. Measurements of the OH chemiluminescence show much better agreement with the CMC model predictions. The CMC model is able to correctly predict the separation of both forward and leeward reacting shear layers. This case has non-adiabatic wall conditions, requiring the integration of non-adiabatic effects in the combustion model. The proposed combustion modeling solution will allow the following key performance features, currently not capable by existing combustion modeling software. Use of arbitrarily large and complex chemical kinetic mechanisms when calculating the mixture reaction rates and intermediate radical formations. A reduction in the simulation time required to use detailed chemical kinetic mechanisms by 2 orders of magnitudes for mechanisms including hundreds of species and thousands of individual reactions. Inclusion of the physical impact of compressibility, non-adiabatic effects, large-scale turbulence and small-scale turbulence on the reaction rates to accurately predict combustion processes across compression shocks and expansion waves as encountered in supersonic combustion hardware. The proposed technology solves the following technical issues with typical combustion models used in commercial CFD software. First, the proposed combustion model acts as a standalone plugin that can interface with any popular commercial CFD software. The tabulated nature of the CMC model allows for detailed and large chemical kinetic mechanisms with runtime requirements at the same order of magnitude as non-reacting simulations. Proprietary machine learning solutions allow for efficient housing and access to high-resolution and high-dimensional flamelet tables. During the current phase, the technology readiness level has grown from a TRL of 3 to TRL 7. Below is the current schedule for the Phase 2 base period, with key milestones and Phase 2 task deliverables by date. The team is currently on schedule with the proposed timeline and is currently extending the CMC plugin to additional CFD software. Below are the key technical features of 3 popular combustion models used in industrial design work, namely finite rate chemistry, flamelet progress variable, flamelet generated manifolds, and the conditional moment closure model. It can be seen that although each model has a certain strength, The CMC model is the only one capable of using detailed chemistry, account for compressibility effects on reaction rates, account for the effects of small and large-scale turbulent mixing, and able to go up to 7D pre-computed flamelet tables. Below is the transition plan for DeepFlow LLC in deploying and supporting the use of the proposed CMC plug-in combustion model with both agency and commercial users. DeepFlow plans to license, train, and deploy the plugin for use in industrial design work with companies already using CFD for combustion design. The use of such a tool is valuable in industry, in component design, in propulsion, power generation, oil and gas, renewables, and thermal management. This slide provides a brief market analysis of the CFD and combustion market and its projections by 2033. Industry applications, secondary use cases, and defense relevance is described below. We are interested in your combustion design and simulation needs. Contact DeepFlow LLC for a free consultation and talk to members about performing validation case studies against your current combustion modeling tools.